Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online English language lessons we offer. Today was the hottest day of the year so far, with temperatures here in North London topping 30 degrees. We spent much of the afternoon round at a friend's house, drinking caipirinhas and sitting there with our feet dipped into their paddling pool, pretending that we were at the beach, trying to get a little bit of respite from the relentless, oppressive heat. The problem with English weather often is that when it does get hot, it also gets very, very muggy and oppressive. If you say that it's very, very muggy, you mean that the weather is very hot, but it's unpleasant because there's so much water in the air. It's hot and humid, and it's the kind of weather where generally people have trouble sleeping. Maybe you sleep with a fan on, with all the windows open, and you still can't get to sleep because you're lying there, tossing and turning all night, sweating buckets. Like a lot of people, I've been dreaming of the heat finally arriving, and now it has arrived. I'm dreaming of it finally passing, because this evening, as I'm sitting here, it's incredibly close. It feels like there could be a huge thunderstorm any minute, and it feels like it needs to rain to take the edge off the heat. If you have enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button, the thumbs up sign. It helps us with the algorithm, apparently. Please do share it with your friends, your colleagues and your students. And in the comments section below, we'd love to hear examples of times when you've had to deal with muggy weather. How did you do it? How did you cope?